Hi, this is Sheldon from Car Stuff. Just making a little video of stuff I found in my 1979 Chev half-tons glove compartment. Show stuff that I found in there. It's quite a bit of stuff. And this old thing from Clark's and where it came from, people that bought it and all that sort of stuff. Years ago. This was in there, it's empty. It's in good shape, I'll probably reuse it. I think this is just a piece of windshield wiper garbage. Should probably throw that out. And I found these two things. If anyone in the comments could, or whatever that's called, could write what these are, it'd be nice to know, because I have no clue what they are. There's this. This was on the four-wheel drive lever or shift thing. I put the original one back on it because this didn't look right. But here it is. And there's wherever this wire goes to. No idea why it's for. Then there is a whole load of these things. Supposed to be, I think the person said, for the bed of the truck. I think doing something there. I don't know. Not sure. There's some spring thing. Just everything I found in the glove box. It's been in there for a while, I'm guessing. A receipt for something. It's really faded. No idea what these things are. They're in there. I think there's another one. Yeah, there's two. Don't know what they are. Or what they're for. This cool little first aid thing. It was still in it unopened, but it fell out and it was falling to pieces and dry rotted, and so I just threw it out. I looked at it a little bit. Cool little box. Sorry for not making any videos for a while. Busy. Don't know what this is either. This is just a long video of me saying I don't know what that is, don't know what that is. Ooh, what's that? Don't really know any of this. Oh, these are lug nuts. This shouldn't even belong with the truck. This is light in the basement needs replaced. Not really any importance. And there's these two wiring things. Don't know what they're really for. There was ketchup, McDonald's ketchup packets, but I threw those out because they were pretty disgusting and some moldy old air freshener that was never opened. And a bunch of these things. Don't know what they are. Whatever these are, no idea. Bag. No idea what this is. Nail. More papers. Windshield wiper thing. Another weird little thing. Cool little thing of a little keychain of a bulldozer stuff. And no clue what this is. Piece of metal. This belongs, no idea what it is, but it says it's a steel, so it's a chainsaw or something like that. this thing. Don't know what it is. Little bit. And there's two of these. Don't know what they are. Another clip. Don't know what it is. Long video of don't know what it is. That's the exact color of the truck. I'll take it out. That's how do I do this here? Get out. Oh, crap. Oops. That didn't go well. The color of it right there. Sort of its greenish color. Electrical tape. Maybe papers about something about insurance. Insurance. Something about starters and alternators. Moldy windshield wiper thing. And the thing that I find the most interesting, Top Gun cassette, 1986. Still works, I played it. That'll be everything for this video. If you haven't seen the video of what the truck looks like, then you can go back to somewhere. I'd say click a link somewhere, but I don't know how, because I don't understand YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below.